My name is John Kortum, and I'm going to be showing you how to see health and health imbalances when you look at a person.
Hi, I'm Carrie. I'm here in Redondo Beach at John's workshop, and I am here to learn how to see health indicators, and I'm hoping to learn how to do it. I have no experience, and I'm an engineer by trade.
So over the next few days, I'm going to be asking you to stretch your paradigm of perception. So how do you guys make the assessment? Would you say that Carrie has? So you've got no for shiny, no for shiny.
Yeah, we've got no for musculoskeletal, but yes, right down the middle.
Say there's a difference between feeling, again, we're not just looking, we want to feel.
Blotchy and then right down the middle.
Okay, so you perceive some tension or redness?
It's that overexposure.
So you're experiencing some overexposure in sun to wind. Okay, what about you, Kathy? Are you experiencing that?
Blood indicator. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm-hmm. For the people that were in Carrie's group, you all saw the blood indication. How would you describe what you perceived? Was it tension? Was it pressure? What did you?
Tension.
Some tension? Mm-hmm. Carrie, if you want to turn around and look at everybody. Carrie's group did identify that there was a blood indication. And then, Carrie, do you want to tell us what you know about your health history?
I have von Willebrand's, which is you're missing a clotting agent. So it's, but it's internal. It's not like if I cut myself open all the way to death. It's an internal bleeding.
Here's where doctors maybe don't recognize this. They're not making the distinction between indicators and skin pigment.